Hello everyone! In this lesson we're going to look at the different ways to install Windows 11 version 23 H2 or the Windows 11 2023 update on your computer. This is going to be the easy way since Microsoft is making the new features and improvements available through a regular update that doesn't require reinstallation. Okay, let's dive into the steps. The first and perhaps the best method to install version 23 H2 is through Windows Update. To install the new version, open Start and look for Settings. Now go to Windows Update, and on this page make sure to turn on the Get the Latest Updates as soon as they're available option with this one right here, with this button right here. And then you will need to click the Check for Updates button. The plan was not to trigger the update until I was recording this video, but as you can see, the computer went ahead and already started downloading the update automatically. So if you go to the page, the update might already be available for download. In this case, the update has downloaded and the update is marked as the Windows 11 version 23 H2. However, it is important to note that the system will download the latest update for version 22 H2 that includes all the new features and improvements and fixes that are part of version 23 H2. Then the system will download this enablement package, which is labeled Windows 11 version 23 H2. That the only thing it does is to change the version number from 22 H2 to 23 H2 and enables the remaining features previously downloaded on the update for version 22 H2. And once you're ready to upgrade the system to the new version, just click the Restart button. And this process should not take a long time. And that's all there's to it. Now we're going to log in into the computer and we can check that we're running version 23 H2 by opening Start and then going to Settings, and then on System we go to the About page and we can see that now we are in version 23 H2. The second method includes going to the Microsoft Update Catalog website and just look for the update that includes all the features for version 23 H2, which at the time of this recording is the KV50315455. You can use this link to access the page. Then you just need to select the right version for your computer, and on this case we want to download the latest update available for the x64 architecture, which is this one right here. Now if you have an ARM based device, you need to download the ARM64 package. Then we click the download button, and here we just click the link to download the file on the computer. Then simply open the folder that contains the download, and then to install the update manually, just double click the file, and because I already have it installed the update, it's probably gonna get an error, and as you can see I get the message that it's already installed on the computer. But if you don't have it, the system will install the update and you will need to restart the computer to complete the installation. The only caveat using this second method is that you will still need to go to the Windows Update settings with this option enabled and check for updates, and that is to download the enabling package that switch the version number from 22 H2 to version 23 H2, which at the time of this video, the update it's known as the KV5027397. It is important to know that after installing the update, you might still not be able to access all the features. And one of the examples is Copilot, because Microsoft is still gradually rolling out the feature, and right now it's limited to some regions. If you don't see the Copilot feature on your computer, check the video description because I have a video with different ways that you can try to enable the feature on your computer. Also, I have created a video with all the new changes and features for version 23H2, and I'm going to also be leaving the link in the video description. So that is all there's to it. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.